Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody's having a great Monday and I hope y'all had a great weekend. Well, as you can see, we have another embagging. That means we have a review, so let's find out what is in this ginormous bag. If I can get it. There we go. Didn't want to cut anything below it. Alright, well, we have cross stitch. We get it out of this crazy bag. That bag way over there. Alright, it looks like we have 4 stamped cross stitches. And this bag comes from VIPCrossStitch. This is going to be part 1. Part 2 will be next Monday. So be sure to look out for that one. So let's see, we will just take those off the top and put those over there and we will get started. Now before I do get started, I wanted to say if VIPCrossStitch has any specials or any discount codes, or if I have a discount code, they'll be right in here and in the description box below. And if you have any questions or anything, please feel free to put it in the comment section below. So let's start with the first one. So you remember last time I did a review for VIPCrossStitch, I had gotten this summer treehouse. Well, it was ruined by it. It seemed like it got wet. So they sent me another copy. I just think it's just too cute. Let's see what the canvas looks like. And hopefully things will be better. Oh yeah, much better. Can actually see what the symbols are. There's a lot of solid colored symbols in this. You have some like lines and stuff, but it's not very big. So this is what it looks like. There's a little girl and little boy, and they have a little tree house. Looks like there's even a dog up here in the house. And the little boy, he's taking a nap in the hammock. I almost said hassock. In the hammock. And yeah, they're just kind of taking a break from all their summer fun. Now this has 27 colors. It's just full cross stitch and back stitch. And it is 109 by 111. And let's see, we have 310 black. Anything else I know? We have 825 instead of 823. No 939. No 3371. And we have B5200 for the white. So yeah, this is a much better canvas. It's not wet. Now, the ink did saturate the canvas on the back, but you know, as it all goes, once you finish it and get all the back stitching in, or maybe you're one that puts the back stitching in after you wash it and all this ink goes away. But look at all that back stitching. Oh my goodness. But it really will make the picture, so that's awesome. Just awesome. I love it. I just thought it was cute. They have one of these. I don't know if it's all on one page, though. They have one for every season, so check them out. I think at one point I got the winter one, and I don't know if I put the price here. I think maybe $5.50. I would have to look. $4.60 is how much that was. So yeah, not too much, but one for every season. And they have the one I got, I think other one I got was a winter one, and they had a snowman and the tree house, and yeah, it was just really cute. All right, the next one's a little bit bigger, just a little bit bigger. Let me see here. I got to move something. I had to clean off my camera. So I have this wet tissue. I want to throw it into the kitchen for right now. The cat really won't mind. Thank goodness. Let me see here. Okay, we got that. And, oh dear. Yeah. Now this one is a 52 by 67. It was $21.36. It is a Joy Sunday as well in the lovely Joy Sunday bag. Let's take it out of here so we can see it, but I loved the colors on this. I may have to get its own separate little bag because I have small ones of those bags that I put big kits in. Smaller, I should say. Look at that. Is that not stunning? Look at the blues. Oh my goodness. Yeah. The sky, a boat, little houses. Just lovely. Just absolutely stunning. Stunning, stunning, stunning. It's going to have some 310 black. I can see that. Not sure. Let's look back here. Oh my goodness, this has 70 colors, but you only do full stitch and back stitch. That's it. 70 colors, guys. Holy cow. We have 310 black. We have, trying to see anything now, we have 820. No 939, no 3371, and for white they're using B5200. The top set of symbols goes with the paper pattern, and the bottom set goes with the canvas. That way, if you can't see something for some reason, then you'll have to, you can look on here very easily. It is 243 stitches wide by 324 stitches high. Oh my goodness. 70 colors, guys. Very nicely printed canvas, though. I mean, a canvas, paper pattern. What I was looking for, I don't see. No, it's not. I thought maybe it was divided. Oh, here it is. It's right under my nose. Hello. Divided into 9 separate parts. So you can do it that way, or you can just start there and then go over there. Just kind of like me, yeah. I'm here, there, and everywhere, but nicely printed pattern. I'm looking for back stitching. There's a little bit over here on this house. Now, of course, you can add as much back stitching to it as you want, but very nicely printed. I think they might have done more. I don't know. I'll just have to play it by ear, you know, as you go along with the canvas. So let's, oh, very nice material. It's nice, soft, and real thin. So let's see what these colors look like. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. We got 3 thread cards, 2 needles. This is that special card where it shows you the red numbers or how many strands, DMC number, and then the thread card number. Let me separate everything and we'll go from there. Look at that blue and kind of a rustish orange, if you will. We have another shade like that, only it's a couple shades lighter than this. Kind of a greenish blue there. And there's all your 310 and your 5 B5200. So I don't know if they're backstitched, but there is a lot of little parts that are 310 black. So yeah, I am anxious to start the, I'm always anxious to start. Look at these colors. Holy cow. Stop talking, Laura, and show those colors. Look at that blue. Oh my goodness. And we have kind of a medium seafoam blue. A green. I'm sorry. A blue on the brain. Then we'll turn it around. More oranges, more blues, greens. Lots of blues and greens in this. Holy cow. Orange, yellow. Just bright, vivid, gorgeous, gorgeous colors. And over here, we have these with greens, kind of more muted. And then here we have blues. This is your number 1. So it's pretty blue. 312 and 334. Just gorgeous. Gorgeous, 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 gorgeous. Beautiful. Let me shake them out so I can lay them down all together. Just absolutely breathtaking. Like the Mediterranean, I'm sure it totally is. Just beautiful. See if I can get everybody together one more time. That is a lot of thread for a 14 count. But I guess it's kind of big, so yay. All right. Let me unflap that. Okay, it goes up and down. Yeah, it may need some back stitching. I don't know. My guess is as good as yours. Your 2 product numbers and the name that was on the front. Very well printed. If I could just hold it very still. Let me see if I can do better here. Very easy to see symbols. They're nice and darkly printed. You know, I mean, I don't see anything that's really terribly, you know, faint. Some of them, they get a little faint, you know, for me. And then there's 4 different colors and they're the same color. I'm like, seriously, guys, get a life. Look at all that lime green. Holy cow. Bright, bright, vivid. Nice big key. Here's your 2 back stitches over here. And then the rest are all the colors. They run all the way down here, all 70 of them. Nice, big, easy to see symbols, DMC number, and the number on the thread card. So very nice. Let me see if we can measure this puppy. We'll see. Oh, there. But this material is nice and lightweight. It's not bulky, and it's not super, super stiff like some of them. I love that. Joy Sunday, you do such a good job. Such a good job. All right, 66.5 centimeters, or almost 26.25 inches by, it's going to be a big picture. 51 centimeters, or a little over 20 inches. The actual picture size is 43.5 centimeters, or almost 17.25 inches. So this way it is a little over 23 inches, or 58.5 centimeters. Hold please. All right. So yeah, a very nice size, very good looking, very easy to stitch. I don't think this is going to be a problem at all. I think that lime green is going to be the white, the 310 black. Yep. So there is a lot of 310 black in this, but very beautiful. I just love the colors of the water. Oh, can you ever? Beautiful. Can't wait to start it. Yep. Lovely. Well, that is the end of part 1. Now, VIP Cross Stitch has stitching only. I don't think... Yeah, they have both regular and counted. They also have beaded embroidery. And they have tools and crafts galore. Always a lot to pick from. Always great prices. I do love VIP. I have ordered from them, you know, personally. And great customer service. So do check them out. Thank you for joining me today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe. Stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye. Keep stitching.